So I'm not gonna give you more instruction. I'll see what you have learned. Okay. Okay. Go ahead. Focus ka sa gitna. Okay. 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 Whenever you're ready for the accelerator. Okay? So hello guys, good day. Daddy J here. Today tuturuan natin ang anak natin mag drive. So basics muna tayo. Number 1 is ang steering wheel. Okay, going right, going left. You know the basics. And then of course, marunong ka na mag-start. Pinaka-importante sa lahat ngayong lesson natin is yung brake. Okay, para ano mangyari, yan, brakes, and of course yung accelerator natin, hindi tapak lang ng tapak ha, dahan-dahan lang kasi susunod naman yan sa'yo. And then of course handbrake, bukod sa brake, handbrake, yan ang safety, hila agad. And number 1, safety first, paglagay tayo ng seatbelt. Seatbelt, and then adjust mo yung upuan mo dun sa kaya mong abutin. Sige pa. Sige pa, abutin mo. Okay, can you reach it? Brakes. Brakes muna. Brakes lagi ang mauna. And then, nope. Pag manual at saka automatic yun ang difference. Kailangan yan, ang gagawin mo, brakes agad ang paa. So, I think kailangan mong i-adjust ulit yung sarili mo. Good enough for you to reach both? Yeah. Okay. Sige. Assess yourself. How do you feel?
Nervous.
That's normal, okay. So first, nagagawin natin ang destination mo hanggang dun lang sa may puno at saka sa poste. Yan. Pag kaya na ulit, stop tayo, revisit natin, and then saka ka ulit magpo-proceed. So ganun lang. Unti-unti lang. Hard. Aha. Okay, hard. Press it hard. Press it hard as you can. And now, okay? Number 1, listen to my instruction. Just follow my lead. Okay? Focus lang. Okay? Put it down. Okay? Okay? And then, press this. Sige. Put it on drive. Unti-unti mong bibitawan yung brakes. Unti-unti. Gradual. Sige. Sige. Go ahead. Okay. Unti-unti.
Oh,
yeah, that's fine. And then, huwag ka masyadong malikot sa steering wheel. Susunod yan sa'yo. Okay? Go ahead. No, huwag ka masyadong malikot. Yan lang. Ganyan lang ang steering wheel. Kung straight lang siya, yan. Hindi mo siya kailangan masyadong yan. Okay? Okay, so we're moving. Okay. Ganyan lang. Sige, go. Go. Huwag ka matakot. Sige, andito ako. Okay. Ganyan, kausap mo konti. Yan, okay. Ganyan lang. Go.
I'm not doing brakes anymore. Hindi nakatapak masyado.
Hindi, pero nakaalalay ka lang dapat. Don't remove your foot on the brakes, anak. Okay. Good. Balik, ilagay mo dito. Yan, okay. Sige. Balik ka. Balik ka sila. Focus mo lang. Huwag mo silang isipin kasi sila mag-a-adjust sa'yo. Naka-hassle tayo. Sige lang, go. Go, huwag ka maratad. Make sure mo lang yung focus mo, yung linya mo susundan mo lang. Okay. Hanggang doon tayo sa may tangke. Kung kaya mo naman. Go ahead. Okay. Okay. So yan guys, nabibuild yung confidence niya. Ayan, 'di ba? Slowly. Okay. Go ahead. Go ahead. Diba? Eyes on the direction where you want it to go. Sige lang. Fun, right?
Fun.
Okay. 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 Later, sa acceleration ka na ha. Ngayon muna, brakes muna, alalay lang muna. So, hindi naman tayo racing dito eh. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Feeling good? Relax. Relax yourself. Relax. Okay? Tayo, alalay lang. Alalay lang tayo. Okay? Move mo dito. Tingnan mo ulit. Okay. Alright. Hindi mo lang. Sige lang. Naka-hazard ka. Siya mag-a-adjust sa'yo. Na, balik ka dun. Balik ka dun. Diyan ka mag-stop sa may barrier. Sige lang. Lagpasan mo yung tangke. So number 1, pag mag-stop ka, gradual din yung brakes. Okay.
Hindi pa biglaan.
Hindi biglaan. Okay, good. Sige, wag mo na ano. Tingin ka lang. Go lang. Okay. Oh. Okay, go ahead. Slowly. Slowly, brake. Slowly, brake tayo. Okay, isa pa. Slowly brake tayo. Hanggang sa makuha mo yung timpla. Slowly brakes. Brakes. Okay, very good. So, pag naka-brake ka na, number 1. Okay. Is put the
Gear, ito
on park mode. And then, but if you're going to do it, okay, let's say I'm you. 1, 2, 3. Narinig mo? Okay. So, nakarinig ka ng 3 clicks. Pwede ka nang mag-release ng brakes muna. Oh, assess yourself. How did you do?
I don't know. Average.
Average? No, you did great. Great start. Right? We're safe. We got here from point A to B. Mamaniobra ko muna, tapos babalik tayo doon mamaya ikaw na for acceleration. Number 1, environment. Make sure lahat clear yan. Make sure lahat may visibility ka, especially when you're on reverse. Okay, good thing may camera yung sasakyan natin. Pakita mo. Ayan, meron tayong assist. Also, ayan, pag kunyari ikaw yung student, make sure na observe mo yung nagda-drive, yung nagtuturo sa'yo, para next time minimal na lahat ng sides, and slowly, of course, pag magre-reverse ka. Okay, so after this, position lang natin so we can start again. Okay, your height okay naman, kita naman as you can see, and then yung environment again, yan, right side, left side, good.
Yeah,
okay, with complete vision. Now, okay, yung basics, which I'm sure everyday alam mo na. Go ahead, hit the brakes, press. Okay, now as promised, gagamitin na natin ang acceleration, but of course never
take your foot off the brake.
very good. Okay, kasi of course kung ikaw yung nagte-train sa mga anak mo or sa anak mo, make sure mo na nakaabang ka lagi sa safety, okay, which is sa handbrake. Alright, and kalmado lang, breathe. Okay, again, so how are you feeling?
Nervous, pero
That's normal, but
confident
and focused. Okay, very good. That's good.
brakes.
Focus. Okay, and listen to my instruction. Okay, so first, what will you do?
Put this on.
Never take your foot off the brake. Hilahin mo siya medyo pataas kasi bababa siya. You want to do it yourself?
Yeah.
So I'll release it. Oh, hilahin mo pataas. Watch me.
Okay.
Oh, you do it. Okay, and then there you go. Good.
Yeah, good.
Okay, make sure not. Okay, very good. And then
And put it on drive.
drive. Okay,
Then
slowly
Slowly
Release.
your foot.
off the brakes. Okay, go ahead. Oh, Okay. Gitna ka lang. Slowly. Okay. Never forget the hazard pag nagdo-drive ka. So, aware din yung environment nyo sa inyo, guys. Gitna ka. Gitna mo lang. Yan. Make sure. Yung center mo, huwag ka mawawala. Okay. So, clear naman tayo. Go ahead. Hit the accelerator. Yeah. Slowly, ha? Slowly. Okay, go ahead. Alright, go ahead. Go. Push it. Alright. Okay. Then, gradually, tabang mo na agad. Okay. Okay, practice. Go ahead. Slowly. Slowly. Put your hand on the brakes.
Mag-stop ba tayo?
Yeah, slowly. Go ahead. Let's wait for the motorcycle to pass. Assess yourself. How are you?
I can do this.
Okay, great. Building confidence. That's very good, no? Alright, so wait lang natin si Kuya. Road is clear. Your foot on brakes. Slowly release. Go ahead. Okay. Go ahead. Gradual. Okay, that's good. At least you're learning. Okay. Okay. Ups. Slowly. Brakes. Gradual. Okay. Very good.
Put it on park. After you put it on park.
Okay. Right. So, we're here. Napakaganda ng lugar na to, guys. Ayan. So, sa mga first time dad dyan nakagaya ko, guys, be excited. Kasi yung mga ganitong memories, forever yung manchicheris yan. So, and your son will remember it for sure. Again, paulit-ulit, hindi tayo magsasawa mag-remind, safety first. Okay? Review your distance from. Okay. Comfortable. Okay. Alright. So I'm not gonna give you more instruction. I'll see what you've learned. Okay. Okay. Go ahead. Focus ka sa gitna. Okay. Okay. Whenever you're ready for the accelerator. Okay? Let her pass. Stop here. Stop here. Let her pass. Slowly. Okay. There you go. Make decisions. Okay. Okay, let her pass. Go here. Move around her. More. Go. Move around her. Okay. Go back to your line. To your lane. Okay. Lalay lang. Balik mo. Go ahead. Go. Dulo tayo, ha. Para ma-maximize mo foot play. Masyado yung confidence natin, brad, ah. Just move to the center. Okay. Don't lose your line. Okay. Proceed with caution. Okay. Hanggang dun tayo sa poste. After that, okay, slowly. Go. Tagpas ka dyan sa bahay. Ayan. After sa poste, sa may ilaw. Ayan. Go ahead. Go on. Go ahead. Okay. Part here. Okay. So, what will you do next?
Still put it on the brakes and park.
1, 2, 3, click. And you're done. Oh, how do you feel?
Confident.
How are you feeling?
I feel
Confident and Are you happy?
Very. Ready for this
Alright.
13
Alright.
years.
Okay. So, again, this is Daddy J. Thank you for watching. Please follow us for more videos like this. We'll teach you how to drive. And if you want to learn something, feel free to comment so we could check, demonstrate as well, and teach you how to do it. That's the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much, Daddy J. Okay, so how do we end this?
Oh no.
Okay, thank you for watching. Bye for now. Daddy J signing out.
Sleeping.
Sorry, big. Nag-practice driving kasi ko.
Ha?
Joke lang.
Huwag ganun naman.
Joke lang. It's a prank.
Mommy, I went
It's a
so
prank.
good. Mommy, if you seen me, promise, we have it all on video. I did accelerating, I did the brakes first. Alam ko na yung how to start it. Not just start na press, as in start, hindi pa init. I did like, wait, ganun. I know how to keep my lane. Very good.
So, lesson part 2 tomorrow. We'll do another video for
Pero
tomorrow.
slowly lang, ha?
It's a prank.
Huwag ganun lang.
Sorry,